going to be slightly different to what you're used to, because today I'm going to be taking you around a property that I haven't designed. Yes, you heard correctly, I haven't designed it, but it is nevertheless amazing. The apartment is situated in a development called Leaside Lock, which is set on the banks of the River Lea by Bromley by Bow. This development is part of a major placemaking project from Guinness Homes. Now, if you're wondering what placemaking is, in architecture, it's all about transforming spaces with a focus of strengthening the connections between people and the places that they share. The way that this development has been designed to wrap around a central open space and the provision of on-site amenities such as a gym, cafe, roof terrace, convenience store and co-working space, I can quite confidently say that community truly is at the heart of Leaside Lock. So without further ado, let me show you around the shared ownership apartment and a bit of what the development has to offer. Welcome to the 2-bed shared ownership apartment at Leaside Lock. So as you come into the property, guys, to your right we have 2 storage rooms. This one here houses the washing machine, so I think this is a perfect space for your hoover, your mop, your dustpan and brush and all your cleaning products. Moving further along, again to the right hand side, we also have another cupboard which is perfect for your hats, scarves, jackets, bags and shoes. It's actually a really good space. I feel like you could get a whole storage unit in there, which would make the best use of space. Although the hallway is also integrated with the kitchen and the living and the dining space, it is quite clearly defined by having a console table and a rug and of course a mirror, because we all need to look at ourselves before we leave and enter the house. So guys, we have to talk about the kitchen. I mean, look at it, it is absolutely amazing. What I love most about this kitchen is the fact that it is in a dark color. I feel like dark kitchens, moody kitchens, they just give a certain vibe that a white kitchen can't really give. Aside from the colors and the finishes, I also love the fact that this kitchen offers ample storage space. I mean, you can literally bang all your stuff behind here, guys, and nobody will ever see the mess that's behind there. There is lots and lots of storage to store away all your goods. You can even get some utility items, cleaning products in these cabinets also. All the appliances are Bosch appliances, number 1, but also they are all nicely integrated. And this you'll get with every apartment in this development, which is also a really big plus. The great thing about having appliances integrated is the fact that it just looks clutter-free and it adds to the minimalist feel that this apartment has. Over here we have the dining area, which is just neatly tucked in this little corner. I love the way that this dining area just nicely marries the kitchen space and the living space and just allows a nice flow for conversations and also entertainment. The black chairs, the black Windsor style chairs, which is very much giving mid-century modern vibes, which you guys know I absolutely love. So I love the chairs, I love the walnut tabletop. I feel like the colors are they really blend and it just works so perfectly in here. My favorite piece of furniture in this space. It's cozy, it's bold, it's velvet. I think that this sofa adds another dimension and it adds depth to the space, which is what design is all about. And I love the fact that it contrasts against a very neutral grey sofa, which most people are likely to put in their living rooms. Not many people will go for this colour sofa, and that's what I really love about it. So before I take you into the bedrooms, which are lovely by the way, I wanted to talk about the light and the windows that we get into this apartment, and they are letting in floods of light in here, which is always nice because you just want a nice bright and airy space. So not only that, guys, the fact that we are in a zone 2 location at Bromley by Bow, it means that we are getting big city views. From here, you can see the Gherkin, the Shard and the walkie-talkie. I mean, the great thing about this location, guys, is the fact that transport connections are really super accessible. I mean, to get to all these places that I mentioned, like the Shard and the Gherkin, it's literally just 1 train away. We've got Bromley by Bow station just 3 minutes away, and that takes you straight into central London. So not only does this location offer great transport links out of the area, the local area itself has so much to offer, and I can attest to that because I am a local resident. In the area itself and the surrounding boroughs, there is a Roman Road Market, we have Victoria Park, we also have Three Mills Island, which is great for events, pop-up galleries, and there are an array of cafes, bars and outdoor spaces. The fact that the development is located in Zone 2 and is so close to central London and also Canary Wharf, it makes it perfect for young professionals. But not only young professionals, it's also a perfect place for families and young couples. So right now, guys, I'm going to take you into the master bedroom, which I absolutely love. So guys, I absolutely love this room, and you've probably guessed why. I love it because of the 4-poster bed. I mean, it's giving queen vibes. I absolutely love it, and I love that the colors, some of the colors from the living space has been continued into here. So we've got some blacks going on in here, some dark grays, and we've got some of the burnt orange, which just works really, really well. The blue, the orange and the black, it's a perfect combination. So this is giving moody, cozy vibes, guys. I absolutely love it. I mean, we've got a statement wallpaper over here, which it's not something I would necessarily put in my own home, but I really, really like it, and I feel like it works really well with the rest of the scheme. In terms of the space, I feel like this is a really good space. You've got more than enough space to fit a good double or even king size bed, and still have space either side to fit your bedside tables. And look at these amazing lampshades. I love it. It's very industrial chic. So guys, of course, with many of these apartments, you are going to get a built-in wardrobe, which is just fab because it just means that you do not have to go and buy a wardrobe. And it's giving what it needs to give, guys. There's enough space here. It's tall, it goes all the way up to the ceiling, so there's more than enough space to fit all your clothes, all your shoes and all your accessories. And of course it is mirrored, so you can check yourself out. We all need a good full length check in the mornings. What's really amazing about the master bedroom is that you have an ensuite leading off of the room, which is just amazing because sometimes you just don't want to share the main bathroom with whoever you live with. That could be your partner, that could be your kids. It's just nice to have your own bathroom. So let's take a look in there. And we're getting exactly what you would expect from any modern bathroom. It's modern, it's got a grey and white theme to it. There is underfloor heating, which is just amazing because we all know that tiles can be really, really cold. Yeah, and it's just fun. And then we have the second bedroom. In this room, guys, as you can see, there is a continuation of the colours used in the master bedroom, and that is the deep blues, the blacks and the tan stroke burnt orange, and I absolutely love it. I love the fact that the rooms play on each other and there is a cohesive design between the two. And while this room is a bit of an awkward shape, I feel that the designers have really made the best use of space in here, and it still feels really spacious. There's enough space to get a king size bed, and you also have all this space over here, which, I mean, nowadays a lot of people are doing hybrid working, so this would be a really cool work from home spot if that's what you chose to do. If you choose not to, you could also put a wardrobe here or a chest of drawers with like a big mirror above. That could also look really cool. And directly outside of the master and the second bedroom, so in between the two, we also have the main bathroom. Now this bathroom is everything that you can expect from a modern bathroom. I love the colour scheme. There's like a light grey and a dark grey going on in here, and I really like it. I feel like some people are now like anti-grey and don't want to do grey, but I feel like grey is perfect. It's the perfect neutral colour, and I feel like the fact that they haven't tiled the entire bathroom means that there is still room for you to come and put your own stamp on it, and you could paint the walls pink, black, blue, whatever you wanted to. And this bathroom also comes with underfloor heating, as does the ensuite bathroom. And then of course we have this huge mirror. I think this is such an amazing mirror. I mean, there is no window in here, but the fact that you have such a huge mirror means that it's gonna make the space look and feel even bigger than it is. And then of course you can just check yourself out. So guys, that brings me to the end of this 2-bedroom shared ownership apartment tour at Leaside Lock. I hope that you've enjoyed this tour just as much as I have. Like, I honestly love it, and I would love to move in here myself, to be honest. And I honestly think that for 121k for a 25% share of this property and all that it comes with is absolutely worth it. This development is perfect for first-time buyers looking to get onto the property ladder. The properties are available through Help to Buy and shared ownership, so you're spoilt for choice. If you've liked what you've seen today and you want to be part of this thriving community in the heart of East London, please do contact Giddy's Homes. You can find their details in the description bar and also across here. If you have any comments or questions about the interiors or the development itself, you can comment away and I will do my best to answer. If you liked the video, please click like, share the video and subscribe to my channel.